This is the Cassida Pro, Zeus, and Apollo recommended cleaning procedures. The first step in cleaning is to take a can of compressed air and remove any loose dust particles that may be present in the unit, starting with the hopper area, especially on the hopper sensor in the center, followed by the reject pocket, and ending with the stacker. For a more thorough cleaning, we'll want to use a swab, which we'll use to clean the sensors and sensor areas, starting again with the hopper sensor on top, the reject sensor and reflectors, both below and above, and the stacker sensors and reflectors. To clean the backside of the unit, open the upper and lower doors, and again clean any sensor areas and reflectors that may be visible, as well as the CIS bar. It's a large glass rectangle, followed by the lower door and the rollers available there. Be sure to rotate the rollers to make sure that any caked on debris is fully removed. To clean the bill path, we recommend using a waffle bill cleaning card, maybe purchased from Cassida.
Menu 5, 4, 5.